TCT Circular Saw Blade is suitable for cutting wood, plywood, drywall, MDF, plastic and all other non-metallic materials. The TCT Circular Saw Blade ensures a smooth and accurate cutting and ensures that the cutting edges will not score or scratch even under the heaviest loads. Has construction-grade carbide teeth that provide maximum resistance for longer life. Durable tungsten carbide maintains a true edge. Many teeth and expansion slots in the TCT Circular Saw Blade reduce vibration, noise levels and decrease blade heating, even during long-term use. And suitable for angle grinders, circular saws, miter saws and table saws of most power tool brands.